welcome first.
All right.
Yeah, we always bow and then we talk.
Yeah.
That's what we did yesterday.
That's what we did yesterday. But we
Let's-
should do the
we should-
welcome.
We should do
first.
like some kind of.
We should say welcome first. Have your hands
Whoa.
together, and we say the welcome, and then we do the bow. You know.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Sure.
Just to commence it with.
Welcome.
Oh shit.
I thought it was my
Go
dad.
ahead.
Oh, I
It's-
thought
it's
we
these
all
days.
say welcome.
No, it's my dad.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah.
Welcome to Satoshi Analysis. We're the Satoshi Ninjas. It's today's episode 3. Today we're gonna talk about something exciting
Yes.
that happened today, and kind of not so exciting with the altcoin market as well. Everything almost was down except for one thing, and that was Bitcoin Cash today.
Up 50%.
BCH or BCC. I don't know how that happened.
If you got in today, you made good. If you've been swinging this for a few days, you made probably 3 times. That there were
If you
people
didn't
in that
swing up like
300.
40-50% just
People
today.
300 too. If they were in a few weeks ago.
Currently, BCH is sitting. Let me refresh this, everyone.
971.
It's
985.
currently 8:45
985.
Central Time, Chicago time.
985. Yeah.
It's my
Almost $1,000.
Yeah, basically $1,000, up 50% from yesterday. And I don't know why it's underrated. I think within the community, it's 3rd on coin market cap. So I mean, it's definitely not.
A shade coin.
It's not a shady coin. It's a serious coin. It's Bitcoin Cash, serious fork. And I think people want to know, is it going to go down or is it going to go up and follow the trends that's been going throughout?
So I'm not Bitcoin Cash, as these guys already know. I'm
I'm a little pro cash.
I'm on the fence on Bitcoin Cash, and I honestly think this is getting pumped and it's gonna fall. But I want you guys to start off telling me why is Bitcoin Cash a hodl? Because you guys sound like Bitcoin Cash should be a hodl.
There's a
I'll
demand for
respond
Bitcoin
to
cash.
Oh,
There's a demand for Bitcoin.
there's demand for Bitcoin
There's a
Cash.
pump right now. Sure, we'll call it
Yes.
a pump right now.
Call
But,
it.
After this pump finishes or whatever, I'm pretty sure. I'll just say there will be, according to my analysis, there will still be demand. It probably won't be 1,000. Well, what the fuck do I know actually?
That's not true. That's not true.
It could go higher than 1,000. It could stay at 1,000 right now. I mean,
I think on pure
Do
speculation,
you have anything to add to that?
Bitcoin Cash right now is pumped. It's overvalued. It should not be $1,000 where it stands right now, from what I feel like. But I have a theory as to
the thing
why.
is,
We have a few theories as to why it's up
The
today.
people who wanted their Segwit 2X didn't get it.
They didn't get it. Didn't happen. Or didn't
Especially
happen.
like the fork dude. What's his name? Who's like totally backing Bitcoin Cash today? Like
Who?
Charlie Lee. They're like
Charlie
going at it
Lee,
again.
dude.
He's going at it with Charlie Lee again.
Creator of Litecoin, Charlie Lee. Another good
Okay.
coin to get in.
I forget the dude's name.
No, but Bitcoin Cash really pumped today. It should be like around, from normal mean, I would say is around 500, 550.
The Chinese love it. The Indians love it.
I have 3 theories, guys. I honestly think I have
No.
3 theories as to why, though. Betting on sports, I saw Bitcoin be added to Bovada. Bitcoin price went up. I see Bitcoin Cash now, so I know bettors are going towards Bitcoin Cash. Percentage of them.
Apparently, you can
Other
only
thi-
buy ant miners in Bitcoin Cash.
Bitmain.com, if you
Explain.
got in and you wanted to buy a miner, you had to convert whatever currency you had into Bitcoin Cash and then send it to their wallet.
Not Bitcoin.
Not Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash specifically. BCH.
So the reason why I let you guys talk about BCH is because I'm about to toss you something crazy.
Okay, what's crazy?
So I'm anti BCH right now,
Right.
and the reason for that
I'm
is
pro BCH. I
I'm
would
pro
say.
BCH.
Long-term pro
'Cause-
BCH.
because
Firmly.
I am pro the other Bitcoin fork.
Segwit 2X.
That's dead.
No, not Segwit 2X.
No, you're just finding reasons for Bitcoin, to
Bitcoin
die.
Gold.
No, forget that.
Bitcoin
Pull
Gold.
that up. Pull
No,
up.
Let's
Bitcoin
talk about
Gold's
that.
coming out
Pull it
this Sunday. It's around futures are trading around $150 to $200.
Okay, so what's it going to? 500? So get it.
Basically, I am pro Bitcoin Gold,
Let's go. Future.
not Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash. Here's the thing. Here's my
What's
argument
wrong
why.
with Bitcoin Cash? Same supply almost. 16 million.
All right, same supply, right? Even SegWit 2X would have had the same
Sure.
supply, right?
Okay.
All right. SegWit 2X was going to increase the block to 2 megabytes.
Yes.
Bitcoin Cash increased their size to 10 megabytes. So the issue that people had with SegWit 2X, they just went 10 times rather than 2 times.
Well,
so it's 10 times a bigger of a deal. So it's not. It's just a temporary
so
solution.
what is
Cash is a temporary solution. But here's the thing about Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold is going to remove ASIC mining. You can no longer do ASIC mining. They're going to allow regular people to mine Bitcoin Gold.
Yeah, but a lot of coins also do that.
No, Bitcoin Gold is going to make it more deregulated, bring Bitcoin back to what it was before.
Why do you care about that?
Why do I care about
Very
that?
pro Ethereum.
I'm usually pro-regulation, but the market is pro-deregulation. That's a reality, is it not?
It's not pro. It's just
It's pro-deregulation.
Can we
It just
ask
is.
why?
If it wasn't pro-deregulation, SegWit 2X
Yeah.
wouldn't have gotten canceled.
It just is.
It is. Yeah.
It just is decentralized.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if you have a coin here that's saying that it's more gonna be take it back to more deregulation as how Bitcoin used to be.
Yo, why is Bitcoin Cash third, dude? Why is it third? Can you explain that to me?
Can you give me a live price for Bitcoin Gold futures, please?
Yes.
Yeah, it was like 152
200
or something.
Let me see.
I think it's B2G. I think. BCG.
B. Bitcoin Gold. Here. BTG.
Yeah, BTG.
248. Up 50%.
Up 50%, and it was at
Matching
150 earlier.
BCH.
And
Okay, so this is what happened, okay? People didn't get their SegWit money. They wanted to pump some stuff. And the third reason pumping occurred, because people just want to ride the wave. Again, Bitcoin Gold.
And
I think,
Bitcoin
is
Gold
one of
has
those
replay
things.
protection, which SegWit 2X
Dude,
Well,
again.
What is
was given
replay
crap
protection?
about.
Again.
Huh?
What is that? What the hell is that?
It protects your data a lot better. Creates an anonymity more so. Doesn't allow you to centralize it.
That being said, I will probably buy some Bitcoin Cash on a dip,
On a dip.
on a correction.
On a correction.
And I'd say buy
I
some
might
Bitcoin
even look
Gold.
at some Bitcoin Gold as well.
What price point?
So I got you convinced
I mean,
now.
I wasn't
Tune
paying
in.
attention to Bitcoin Gold. I was looking at Bitcoin
I told you
Cash.
I'm gonna pull a doozy on you guys.
I guess.
Wow.
You guys
But,
weren't expecting that.
I'm still like hodling Bitcoin OG the most.
Oh, gee, you
Of
gotta hodl Bitcoin.
But if you're on a
Bitcoin
budget-
hodl.
If you're on
hodl.
If you're on a budget, Bitcoin Gold is a very good play. You add that to the board.
Bitcoin BCH or BTG
Yeah, add that to the board. Definitely. Just
or both.
Yeah.
Both. I mean,
Hey, you gotta hedge. You gotta hedge, right?
gotta- well,
The blue mark is right there.
Or
And it's coming out this Sunday too. They're going live. They were
So why
supposed to
does
go
nobody-
live November 1st,
how come no
but they
one
had
like?
some delays.
How come no one trending about this?
Because you're getting distracted with Bitcoin Cash.
I mean,
Bitcoin Cash is not a distraction.
What do you
When
mean
when
that is a
currency goes down
distraction.
43%
They're
a day,
both-
that's not
they
a
both
distraction.
pump.
It's a
So-
distraction saying that it's gonna catch up to Ether in market cap. That's a huge distraction.
Ether's gonna go down in the short run.
Bro, Bitcoin Cash is only
prediction.
12 million away. I understand that's a lot, you know, from 28 to 16, but
But compare that from Ripple.
I mean, it's double Ripple. Bitcoin Cash
Yeah.
is double Ripple.
It wasn't though. Like
It's more than
a
5
month
times
ago,
Litecoin.
a month ago it was 5, bro. 5 in between Ripple and Litecoin.
So,
Yeah, that's why Litecoin fell.